In this issue, I will introduce UverVideo's video ratio and canvas background function. Open UverVideo. Click to add a video to start creating. Select the video to be edited. Click to finish import. In the toolbar at the bottom of the main editing interface, click Ratio option. Modify the ratio format of the video. Here we can see the standard video ratios used by various popular video platforms. For example, the most common TikTok vertical screen ratio is 9:16, and YouTube horizontal screen ratio is 16:9, and Instagram video ratio 1:1, 4:5, etc. Choose the video ratio you need. Finished setting the video ratio. If the imported material ratio is different from the set video ratio, you can also in the video preview box, two-finger operation to zoom and rotate the material. Single finger drag to adjust the position of material. Return to the main editing interface. Click on the canvas option in the toolbar below. Here we can see that there are options such as color, pattern, effect, import, etc. Click on the color, where we can add a different color background to the video. Click on the pattern. Here we can set the background of the video to patterns of various styles. Click to adjust. You can zoom or rotate the video background pattern. Click on the effect. Here we can set the video background to different blurred texture backgrounds, such as common ground glass, cracks, granular and other textures. Move the slider to adjust the intensity of the texture. Click Import. You can also import pictures from the album as the video background. Click Filled. Fill the background of the imported picture adaptively. Move the slider to rotate the background image. Click Tiled. Move the zoom slider. Can be 0.01 to 2 times the scaling operation of the background image. Click Clear. Can clear the background effect. Click Delete. Can delete imported background pictures. The above is the function introduction of video ratio and canvas background. I will introduce more editing function tutorials to you in the next issue. Fast hands and try it.